Hello guys, good morning. I'm here at the Honolulu, Hawaii, in front of Waikiki Beach, and I'm here in one of these restaurant here. As you could see here, yeah, I'm here in Honolulu, Hawaii, in one of the hotels here in downtown Honolulu. It's what do you call this one? A hotel, a five-star hotel wherein I am booked right now on what do you call this, gratis. Okay, nakikita na lang ako pero eto naglilibang at masarap ng buhay at nag-enjoy ako ng aking retirement benefits. So hindi ko masyadong inaasahan talaga itong aking vlog, no? Because my benefit is more than enough for me. Okay? It is only for pleasure. Ngayon, yung mga nagsasalita sa akin diyan sa mga commentary na against, no? Kasi ang ginagawa ng ating presidente, Bongbong Marcos Jr., is for all of us, for us to enjoy. And the corruption in the government cannot be immediately done overnight. Do you know that, guys? Most especially the young students who were more aggressive to learn because they want to learn more on a day-to-day basis, not unlike the elderly, like me. But I'm totally different because I used to this job ever since I was still young. Okay? So kayo mga naninira, katulad ng case ni BP Sara na 73 million na disallowed. Ibig sabihin ng disallowed, pinababalik ng Commission on Audit yung 73 million na disbursement na ginawa ng Office of the Vice President or at Department of Education during her time, na ibalik sa Treasury yung 73 million pesos kasi disallowed, meaning ginastos na pero hindi allowed yun. Kailangan ibalik yung pondo. So kaya nga hindi makapagsalita si Vice President Sara Duterte, at ang ginagawa niyang excuses is to sway o lituhin ang nag-i-interview ng members on committee ng Kongreso. So ganyan guys, yung mga nagsasalita na parang umiiyak pa na pinagtatanggol si BP Sara, at siya pa, bakit siya merong gatla dito? That is, ako ay naging medical healthcare worker sa Chicago for almost 2 decades. And I know that is suicidal. For 1 month, hindi siya nakapasok sa kanyang trabaho as DepEd Secretary. And that means na ito ay dinamdam niya. Ang kanyang sakit ay may kinalaman sa kaisipan o mental illness. Okay? So, just ask your psychiatrist, your doctor regarding this matter, because they are the officially who could declare that one. But many doubt, because once kahit isang minsan ka lang magtangka magpakamatay ay isang ano na yan, ang dahilan upang ikaw ay categorize na with mental disorder. Okay? So this is your host again, Freddy. I hope to see you again. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video at Filipinos America Vlog. Okay? And thank you very much. I'm already in my second extended stay here in Marriott Hotel, where I am in a 5-star here in Hawaii. And this is the Catholic Church. Okay? Catholic Church. Okay? Maraming Katoliko rito, guys. Maraming Katoliko. Because many here are Filipinos. And I am proud to be a Roman Catholic. Okay? And I owe all my success to my faith to Jesus Christ, because He saved me twice already while I am dying here in the United States. And I'm grateful for that. So, stay in the Catholic Church. Guys, don't believe in those other Christian denominations like the Church of Apollo Kibuloy. Now, ito ay maling propeta. Okay? So, at ito pinagtatanggol ni VP Sara Duterte at ang mga Duterte. Kasi nakinabang sila. Ganyan. Okay? Your host Friday again. I'll see you in my next vlog.